Hello, this is Feras. Today is the 28th of December. It's Friday, 2018, and it is 7:26 a.m. Reno, Nevada. And the previous video we did some work here at this I don't know, DIGISPROUT. I don't know. I want to read it like DIGISPROUT. I don't know how to read it, but anyway. But we are helping these people here with their communicating their IDs. Well, why is that? Like, what we are doing is a little bit here. If I have an idea, I want to test it. Okay, I have a page now. The output from it, what to expect? Like, here's a page I have. What to expect? Well, my expectation, for example, as it says, I will have an inbound call. I'm looking for an inbound call. Okay, but if you did ask any sales manager at this point, okay, we have inbound calls from website. Well, a little bit. If you are not doing push marketing and pull marketing, and it's really public relation, and also you are doing some campaigns, like this inbound call is to solve a situation for me on the field, like I'm somebody here out there. Okay, and okay, let's talk to them by the phone a little bit faster than the meeting, or the campaign that they do. Good. So the inbound call here, for example, by the customer service or the sales agent here, will be a help. And also we can expect a meeting. Like, I can also expect a meeting, but we have public relation, we have marketing, we have marketing as as a map. These people do work on a map. Okay, but we are solving a pain, and we are solving their pain. Like, we are helping them here in their marketing plan. There's an already marketing plan. Okay, but let's get a little bit to this view. And second, forgetting to mention something in the map. If you said, okay, people do help me, help me with sharing, well, a little bit I will stay polite here, like, okay, well, yeah, people do help them with sharing, like people do share them. Okay, like they did have something called the private relationship. We have here something called private relationship. People here relationship. Like, what is happening here? People here do trust you as an authority on the subject. Like, here we have somebody who already did created books, for example, books, webinars, and so on. Books, webinars, okay, webinars, and they did find the value, and with the value they are sharing the virtual place. At the end they are going for a call, but they are going for a call here. Like, I'm going to expect a call, but this is a long time. This thing here is a long time. Usually marketers or marketing department, they care about today. We care about today, and we care about now so much. Why? Because this is tomorrow. Like, this is tomorrow, and the next week, and the next week. But the moment that like this thing reach sales, this one here, like this lead, that reach sales today, now. Okay, why? Because they already have like now thing. Okay, the other option is we are going for a 15 follow-up. You are going for 15 follow-up, and it's really like with like this follow-up is without being pushy here, and this follow-up is without sales culture. Like, I did a beer. Like, here's somebody, for example, like here's somebody from the sales team did send one an introductory letter to sell a phone call. So, and then we have a call here to sell an appointment. Okay, appointment. Good. Now this thing, this sales culture, 1, 2, 3 thing, okay, did help me in the appointment. Okay, but if the person here said no, or started to provide some objections on the value, like I don't need it, this thing I don't need it, this thing need an improvement. Now here, this opinion from their why, like why no, is something for the improvement, something for the customer service department. Like here's the sales department and customer service department do have the next step for improvement. Like we are going to have like a new update. Okay, but usually when we provide something like, okay, inbound call, don't expect that the marketing system, okay, without a marketer, okay, here's the marketing system, 80%, okay, is going to work without the public relation, without the marketing, without the sales. Not gonna work. Okay, so this marketing system, which is a virtual place here, looking to this location, I personally know that there is somebody can provide a value and share this website, share this domain. Sharing this domain with a value, sharing this domain with a value, this domain here with a value, sharing it, this one here, sharing it with a value, is a marketer job, is a public relation job. Okay, now this system can handle this thing. Okay, and I can say call. This word here means something. This word here for me mean that I can find a value. Like, oh, okay, this is what they are talking about. Okay, let's call them and let them help us. Okay, so social media word here mean push marketing and pull marketing, mean private relationship, and design and coding mean this coding thing mean a solution for marketing solution. Okay, this professional photos mean something, this SEO means something, and it's not just SEO, opening graph SEO, opening graph protocol. Oh yeah. Why not keep it as it is? It's depend on what they are, like what they know. Okay, so getting back to these people are on these people here. These people here is this. As you can see, they didn't reach the marketing part. They didn't reach. Okay, what do you mean by that? In marketing, like when I say marketing, I mean reaching people. And the best way, the best practice to reach people is somebody not in the business marketing you or sharing you. Okay, so the only way for me to share these people here is to copy paste this thing and go for and select my own social media thing. Okay, so looking to what we have, they didn't reach the level of, okay, contact, but here is, okay, here's a phone, here's this thing. Okay, a little bit, give us a shout thing, give us a shout. They didn't reach that. Okay, name, email, and text. Where to tab here? Write a question or comments here. Feedback is greatly appreciated. So what I mean that every idea that they have should be here in this website thing. Okay, should be communicated. And how, like, somebody here in the phone, like, this is an inbound call and this is an indoor team. Okay, where's the other people? Like here, like if you did imagine that this is the address, okay, and here I have a phone system. In this location I did added a phone system used by indoor sales, telesales, and it's used by also customer service, client service, because we don't have customers, we have a client service, client care. Okay, and if this is the indoor, okay, where's the leader, where's the team, where's everybody's out? Like if you said how what, well, it's 9 a.m. It's 9 a.m. for example. We did arrive at 9 a.m. Now 10 a.m. I'm out. 10 a.m. I'm out. That's it. I'm not here. Max like 10, something like that. Here, well, we can take calls like. Okay. Now other option. Well, you might have some here. You might have some tables and in this location for meetings, but a lot. Like here's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tables. Like if you did enter a bank, you will like you can see that. Okay, that there's a location for you here to have a seat, and there is some line system here. Okay, for you and for that, like this is like a care center. Okay, the agents here are trained. Okay, we call these people like you might call them like, but this is an indoor sales. This is an indoor sales. This is indoor sales. Good. So we have telesales, we have indoor sales. Now here's the system. This is, and by the way, like this is this is an address. Okay. Now if you said this is a 3-mile system, 3 mile. This is a 3-mile square. And usually this is an agency. Like what we call, like this is agency, and it's like this thing have a name. Good. Or you might call it client care, but this is, for me, this is an agency. The leaders are out, everybody are out. Okay. So if you did look to a website and you said, okay, now I'm going to make money, no, you are not going to make money. The only one who can help you in that subject, they are the sales team, and they are more than one level. Like there's a phone telesales, there's the phone, like there's the customer, like client care or client representative or client account manager. Okay, client account manager, and they are sales, and they pick the phone. Or we might have a client care, like okay, I do sales job and I do customer service. Okay, I do I do expect to have an inbound call as sales. I do expect to have a complaint call, and I do expect to have a compliment call. Like these are the types of the calls that I'm going to have. 3 types: sales call, complaint call, and compliment call. Well, the compliment is not an option these days. Why? Because they are looking for improvement. Okay, the mastermind is practiced with people. Why is mastermind? Mastermind is having good ideas or improvements, looking for improvements for our product. That will be the people. Good ideas. Like there's the leadership, there's the team, anybody with a good idea. But usually mastermind is being practiced with like here's somebody that, okay, each time I have a seat with this person and we talk and so on and so on, I have some good ideas. Okay, this is masterminding practice. If there's somebody you talk to him or to her, and you have some good ideas, that will be the mastermind group. Okay, the person that you have this connection with them, these two minds did have this virtual third entity, we call that mastermind group. But the mastermind group is being practiced as customer service and care centers, as the people or your people, or the 20% of good customers. Okay, why 20%? Because 20% will provide us with 80% of the income, and the other 80% we will fire them. Now, the only way for a website to make money is sales team. Sales team will have, like sales team has sales forum. Sales team have that, is an expert on the subject, on creating money. This is the one who is expert on not the marketer. Marketer is not expert on creating money. The one who's expert on creating money is sales. Good. The other one who's expert on creating a money, well, that will be CMA, for example, for making a financial decision. That financial decision will be buying an asset, whether it is a business with already clients, already real estate. Okay, that will be a passive income, and I did practice bad debt. Okay, so my label is an investor here. Here's the CMA as a leader. I will advise this person, or an accountant. So sometimes the accountant here, accountant have a flag on some account, on some bank account, and he will tell you that, okay, he will pick the phone, he will call you, and now it's the time to practice investing programs, like real estate programs. Okay, good. So looking back to the website, this website is ready for push marketing. This website that we did build is ready for push marketing. How would I do that? I will get back to their website now. Here's services. Okay, let me see something here. View page source and Reno of development. Okay, now, but I will ask you that as a question before. Is this Reno website design, graphic design? Okay, are you looking for Vivo, a new Vivo marketing, web design for marketing virtual, please. And web development for marketing plans. Okay, we help you to reach more people. Or in web design, graphic design, services. What are our services? Web design, graphic design, blah blah blah. No. This is bad. We help you to reach more people. Are you looking for a new Vivo? Web design for marketing virtual place and web development for marketing plans. Will help you to reach more people. And they did say reach the surrounding community. Okay, do you know what? I will have this line. That's it. I will have this line. Okay. Okay. Now I will title it with this thing. Good. Let's finish. This is ready now for pull marketing, but he'd like let me have the title here. They said Reno web design. Okay, first of all, let me have this and that thing. A home page. Now I don't want this, I want this. Okay, Reno web design. Let me have something. This would be a big title now. Okay. Now I need the phone number here for marketing plan. Okay, the word Reno here is a little bit an solution for marketing plans in Reno, Nevada. Nevada, and the phone number like 775. Why is your phone number? Here's the phone number. Okay, 775. Expect incoming call. No, here's no expectation. Okay, I'm not handling anybody expectation here. Okay, because that will be an inbound call. Okay, this will be this title here. Let me have this. Good. Come on, let's finish it. Okay. No. Nevada home base. You know what? Yeah. This is the access on people who can help you. And but let me type it on this way, by this way, 77. So if somebody's searching, he will find this number and +1. Good. Done. So now looking to this thing is ready. No, not yet ready, but with these links I can delete them. Any links like icons? Why is icons? If you said, oh, that will be the icon down there. Show cover right, map bottom right. Okay, so the links here is something that I don't need. Website builder, feedback shit. Okay, can I delete this? I don't need this. Okay, here's the feedback. Good. Okay, blah blah blah. Okay, we can deliver that. So looking at this now and saying, okay, these people can provide this. Now they can provide. If you did to click here, we can have that inbound call. But the situation is not that. If you did log to the, if you said, okay, maps or Google, and you did log here, what you will find that, and you did query this. Let me show you something. That was reaching them, okay? And you said what? You said this thing, website designer, okay, in Reno, Nevada. Okay, good. Now this is why this is why website is just a part of a marketing plan. And like, here's the marketing plan on a map, okay, and in Reno, for example. Now do you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on? Let's find them. Let's find them. Here's the next page. Here's the third page. Here's the fourth. This is the third. Can you find them? Now we will go to Google now. Here's that. It's in the fourth page. Here's that. Here's them. Okay. Now let's go to Google. Here's Google. Isn't this Google? Okay. Here's Google. Here's Google. He did show this list, but he started to show this list. Let's find them there. Here. Anything? Here's the first list. Here's the second list. Not yet. Not yet. What do you think now? Okay, here's top 10. Top 10. Website designer in Nevada. He did show a top 10 here. The best, the 10 best. This is a content marketer. This was written 19 best Reno website designer expertise, and so on. Good. Do you get what I'm trying to say? What I'm trying to say is, let me get this location. No. What was that? I didn't see what was that, but anyway, maps. Well, he did send me. I didn't see that. Okay, and I did click here. Oh boy, third page. Okay, let's see them here. Okay, now here's the map, and I decided to have, like, here's the places. Okay, like here's all the places, and I decided to have a virtual place. Good, good. I will pay this amount of money. If you did look to my financial statement, I will pay, like, here's my expenses for a virtual place. Okay, does this website will make money for me? Is this number is going to be like this number somebody is going to use it? No, I need marketers. I need to market this number. I need this number to reach people. This number not yet reaching people. Here's Google, and he did put me on like 4th list. Here is Google search engine thing. Didn't they say talk about search engine? They did talk about in their services search engine, right? They did speak about that. Did they speak about that? Right, they did speak about that. Okay, but when we did study them, they don't have any videos. Like if you did go now for YouTube, for example, I did unlock this shit. Okay, and you said, okay, here's this view here. Here's this view. Okay, and you clicked here, and you did click here. Anything? Anything? Nothing. Good. Nothing. These people are not doing any pull marketing. Okay, now what do I mean by that? Well, if I'm here on the map and you have me, I will have a list of questions. Okay, and I will look for hotels here now. Okay, I will go for, like, this is what I do expect. Like today is 28. Okay, this is Reno, Nevada, not Elko. There's a difference between Elko, Nevada and Reno, Nevada. Why is that? Elko, Nevada is structured for events. Reno, Nevada, I don't know. Now let's see something. Like they have some hotels. Let's see something. What I'm looking for. I'm looking for events rooms. Reno, Nevada. Hotel. Okay, this is marketing. Okay, Motel 6 Reno event center. Here's some event center here, and he is offering $40. I don't know why is that, but let me see something here. Book a room. This is rooms. I should call them and ask them about their event room. Okay, if they have any events, something. Or can I do some marketing events here? Good. Now I did find a location. I did find an address. That was the website. The idea that I did have a website. Well, okay, I did rent an event room here or here or here. Okay, and I did build. Yeah, that was the story here. Okay, now going for the website, if I did find a video or webinar or something, well, the event did started here. I can click any. I can see the video here. Okay, the event for me did started, but looking here, there is no videos. Good. So there's no marketing team. Good. What is the difference between sales and marketing? Here's sales. We are going to train them to become marketers. Why is that? Well, do you see your presentation? Yeah. Well, okay. Now, can you like, here's another presentation a little bit. Here's another text, but for a camera thing. Can you see it? Like same content for the phone, like for the phone, but you are going to use a camera. Like you are going to talk to a camera now. I do talk to a screen. For me, I do talk to a screen, but I have something to do. Like if you did bring now a camera, I will a little bit. I have no idea what I'm going to say. Why? Because I have to have a list of paper in my hand, and okay, I'm going for this question. I have to control my thoughts now. Okay, I will have a list of 10 questions. That's it for 20 minutes. Good. So this video doesn't have that. The marketing team does not exist, and they decided to have a virtual place for marketing plan. This is a virtual place for marketing plan. Good. If we are going to help them, for example, social media here help them with push marketing, and this page is ready for push marketing. Good. This page is ready for push marketing. The only help that you can see here, somebody here did call and on state of mind what it is about, and he or she did some interest of this thing, and when they did reach here, they said, okay, you are a help for me, I'm going to share you. Or and we insist on that, sales agent did big for sharing his value, like this page. Okay, now usually we don't beg, we just ask in contact details, like that's what we do. But Facebook, Twitter, Google, and this thing, these buttons really help. Okay, so that will we will have the option for the advertisement to continue. Good. For example, Google will, like this thing here is $5. Facebook thing is $10. $10, like the budget for every day, $10 by Google. So Facebook $5 or 10, I don't know. Twitter same story, I have no idea. Okay, but that will be the social media, that will be the push part. Okay, but you are not an authority. Like here, you are not an authority. Like without webinars, without walks, why write a book, create workshops, create webinars, workshops, create webinars, video, create I don't know, an article, maybe 3 pages. But what personally I do create 3 pages per day. I can create videos, so I create videos. Okay, this is to the point ready. Like these services are ready to be pushed with what? With a value. Like if you said, okay, here's the value, I will say, okay, this is the website, let me show you that. Okay, imagine that this is the website, this one is the website. Okay, and I will say, okay, here's YouTube, where's my last video? Here's my last video. Here's my last video, right? Okay, I will pause here, and here's that. Copy. I did have this link, right? I will go, for example, Google Plus. I will use Google Plus. Here's Google Plus. Good, good. Now here's my link. I did have workshop part 2. Show part 2, right? And if I said, hi, this is Feras, where is the website here? Hi, this is Feras from, I said here, hi, this is Feras, hi, this is Feras from this thing. I'm really happy. I'm really happy to share with you my workshop part 2. Okay, and this was this will be with a Facebook. Like this was a Facebook page. Okay, it's Facebook. Okay, it's Facebook. This was Facebook page. Okay, and like this is a Facebook page, and I said, okay, I will have an option here to boost it. Okay, good. That will be, this website will be ready for push marketing. Good, good. Now let's get back a little bit. Let's get back a little bit here. Let me do something. I did see something here from Facebook. I don't want to see it. Yeah, let me click here. Block. Block this element. Create. That was the shit. Good. Let's get back a little bit. Yeah. So that will be the push marketing. Now, why I did here, to be honest, why as a marketer I did that for Facebook, for a simple reason. One, there is no values. Like if you said, okay, here's somebody doing a push marketing with Facebook and so on, there's no values. Okay, this is not something, for example, to be like to look forward to. Good. This is not, for example, a workshop on income. For me, like, this is not a workshop for income types and passive income, portfolio income, and basic income, or on basic income I decided to do some investing in myself with some skills here, looking for skills. And okay, Facebook here decided to go with that. No, Facebook here didn't even reach that level. Okay, so looking to your advertising or pushing value, well, a little bit you should have a value. Okay, so now for the About Us page, this view here have, let's forget about what it happened here. Okay, let's forget here. I did unblock YouTube for that reason. Okay, now we are done with that. Now let's see something. Added and block YouTube. Yeah, same story, no values. It's not Brian Tracy or somebody with a value that I'm looking for. Here's YouTube, and YouTube providing me with some really good values for me. No bullshit. Okay. Anyway, forget about it. Looking to these menus. Okay, let's get to the About. We did solve the contact, and we did solve the thing, simplicity, and no. Here's About Us page. About Us. Here's the About Us page. Let me create a new page here. Okay, About Us. Let me make this page here. Okay, and HTML. Okay, now this is who they are, and I'm not gonna talk about it, but what I'm going to do, I need some 3 paragraphs thing. Full screen introduction. I need a full screen introduction. Here's that. Okay, pure mobile website. Okay, introduction, full screen. Let me have this quest line. Okay, and this was full screen. No, mobile website. Okay, that will be cool. Remove this line here, and I will say cool. Okay, so, and there's another one. You have 3. Let me have this one. Okay, he did say our why. Okay, forget about this, remove it. I will keep this. Okay, and this was full screen. Make it full screen. That one do matter, it's not. Yeah, because we have something there. Why? And here's the how. Okay, I need another one. Let's get back with a cup of coffee, so you are welcome. Okay, we blah blah blah. And this thing, and this was the how. Okay, remove. Okay, now this is a red color. Okay, and this is a lot cool, also cool. Why? And this is same story, cool. Okay, how and why and the quest. Okay, now do they have anything else? Okay, okay, double quotation chain. Do we have a double quotation? We don't have double quotation, double quoting. We can reach word. Yeah, that will be like up there. No, not up there. It's here. Here's the black thing. That was a black. Simplicity. Okay. Now let's have Frank. Blah blah blah. Alright. Now let's get back to this thing here. I need to share. If you said this is a no, I don't care about that. I need to share button. Okay. Do you see? This is a 3. Here's 1, and here's 2, and here's a 3. Now this a little bit is a different color. Let's make it a gray here. Share this page. So it's a little bit bushy here. Good. I didn't see the share. Here's the share. I didn't meant that. I didn't see a share. Okay, you didn't. I don't care. Now we are going for this thing here. Okay, save it. It's with copyright. Save it. Let's get to the work thing. About us thing. Quest. It's a quest. Okay. Good. It's so black. Okay. Now share this page and so on and so on and about us. Okay, forget about. I'm not gonna change anything from this page here. I'll change it from there. Okay. So services, what these people do. Okay. Let me tell you what the services these people do. They add a sub item. Web design for virtual place. Okay, virtual place. This is everyday decision for me. Picking a place as a sales agent, picking a place as a marketer, picking a place as a public relation. Like this is normal for me. Like if you said virtual place for me, I do understand what you do. Okay, second point. Add submenu. Web development for marketing plan. Now this is a little bit need to be like why like values for marketing plan assets. We call it assets. Like why would I go for web development assets? It is like this video is an asset. Do you know what I mean by that? This video is a product, teacher product. The access on that teacher product is paid. Well, the access on that product is with a gift, for example, with a code. Good. Like that free. Here's a free workshop. The free workshop with a code. Like you don't have this free code, this workshop like that. No. Why? Because I want to know who you are as a marketing manager. I want to know who you are I want to save your information so that if that the next time you are going to talk to the sales agent, I make sure that you are not allowed to have the same offer. I will not offer you the same product. Why? If every person in this area we did offer him twice or three times, we are not doing our job. We are wasting your time and ours. Good. So, and the sales here didn't do his job. Like, or maybe he did his job. If he did his job, this means you are a waste of time. So I want it to be like, well, no. Okay. Next item. Well, that will be professional photos SEO. Now we do two things. That mainly what we do. Okay. For marketing plans. Oh boy. Yeah. Oh, I did forget something. We do one web design and web solution for marketing plans. Yeah. Okay, do you know what? I'm going to link this to this part, like coding. Yeah, he did talk about coding. Okay, it's up to you. Here's that final thing and settling. Okay, and he can call, right? Yeah, he can call. And you said about virtual place. This is the first menu. He did talk about that. It's up to him. Now me. Okay, is that good? So here's this page and about us here. Let's go for that thing. Here's the page. Here's about us. Here's the header and settling. Okay, and this phone, this thing here. Well, this is this page, and this is here and here. Insert. Now let's have this and publish this website, and we are done. Let me browse. Here's desktop. Okay, we are done here. And this thing here. Let me see it. About us. Let me click about us. Marketing. No, let me click this from about us. Yeah, okay. About us. It doesn't work here. Okay. Good. Here's the next page, and the menu here doesn't work. It's work here at this page. This is the page, the header, insert it. Okay. Good. Now there's something here. This is about them. Okay, about us. Mobile websites. Okay, a website that can. This is what I'm looking for. Finding more people to help and testing at these industry. We are and finding more people to help, more new people to help. Okay, people, how to tap people now? People. This is how to tap people. People. Okay. Yeah. I don't know, man. Like, that's it. For me, this is it. Okay. Now the missing part is something called the opening graph. Picking an image to share with Google, and oh, did we click here? No, I didn't fix it. I forget it. It's this one number here. Okay, unsettling. Who care about you? Who give a damn in the bio? Button. Button. Okay. Did I did that above there? No, sorry. I did it. I don't know. I think I did. Okay. Now there's an option to make these like, oh, here's a protocol for. No, I didn't type these here. Like if you did forget. No, I didn't. Okay. Publish. This is working. Oh, he did go here, share this page. It's working. How? Why? We're on mobile website. Verbage. This page. We use the most up-to-date coding technology. That's it, man. So, anything else I didn't know about? Here's the services, here's the about. Okay, but these pages are ready for push marketing. These pages are ready for push marketing. This means if there's somebody going to click this phone, like, okay, I'm in the line now, can I take it to their sales agent now? So I will look for your website. Or I'm somebody here looking for somebody to help me, and you did appear as top 10 in some place. Okay, usually the top 4, like you should be rank in the top 4, like 1 2 3 4. Who do that? Content marketing. But where is that trick is happening here? Here's somebody who did suggested me, or here or here. Here's that. Okay, if I did publish now, I will show you that this button work. This button do work. Okay, good. This button do work. All of these buttons do work. Good. Professional thing. Okay, this work. Done. Well, yeah. Social media. Design and animation. Design coding. Okay, good. Now the only situation for you that you might face as a sales agent, your sales agent will say, okay, professional photos for what? Well, that will be for public relation or push marketing, or for advertising, or for writing a book, for example. I can help you in these things. SEO for what? Because I do daily basis. I do have this heavily like all 3 pages per day. Like I do have 3 pages. I do have that option now. You see this thing here? I can create 3 pages per day, and that is my business growth. Like how my pull marketing is growing. Let me show you that. Here's my pull marketing is growing. Okay, I will say, okay, here's 3 pages per day. Okay, and that after 30 days, here's a month from, like, I did have this website. Here's 30 days. Okay, I will have 90 pages. And I'm not somebody who, when I type 90 pages, I'm not somebody who is into into academic shit. This is professional. This is experience. I'm typing here my experience. It's my experience on doing things. Okay, these are values for me. Okay, so a little bit, if you said SEO here, I would understand you. For this 90 yeah, come on, there's 90 pages here. This person do that thing. Good. The second part, as a pull marketing or somebody in marketing, well, I'm somebody who provide values, and I do create also videos. Good. So as you can see, YouTube here did provided me with a button. If you said, okay, here's YouTube did provided me with a button anytime, any moment, any day I can upload. Okay, now you as a website designer, you did forget to do that for me. No, there's systems. This is system. I will provide the system for them. Okay, so there's videos, there's live thing. I can do I can have a live, I can build a live page right now, okay, and share it. Now where's that? Well, that will be the publish bar. Do you see the publish bar? Publish to local or FTP thing or GitHub pages. Okay, I can, this is the project, this is my project, this is my website, this is my work, okay, and this is my thing. Good. As a marketer, here's I'm an online marketing agent, and I did this workshop. I did put the headset on my head and I started recording. Good. Now what? Well, let's create a page for that. Okay, now through that that YouTube create that thing for me. Okay, through that YouTube create that thing for me, but I can share it. I can share it and embed it and have it. Here's an embed thing. I can have it. Okay, and I can have that like the live thing. Good. Now why would I say YouTube over and over when I say okay, upload videos? There's something called content. Oh, just a second. If we decided to go, for example, for here's Reno and somewhere here's Elko, okay, there is some servers that like content CDN, content delivery network, okay, for YouTube that cover Reno, and there's CDNs that cover like this CDN for Reno, like this video website, this video server for Reno by YouTube, and here's another CDN for Elko, Nevada. And there is another, like if you did go to New York, for example, like if you did go for New York or Connecticut, you will say that okay, here is a video for New York City. Like this is in New York City. There's CDNs for New York. And if you did go for like example, I don't know where's in Connecticut. I don't know. Here's city. I think city. Okay, city is have also CDNs alone. CDNs. Good. Now next thing. Good. So a little bit be aware of the host provider. Good. Like for the videos plans. Like if you said okay, I'm going to upload videos and so on, and no, just a little bit. YouTube is a help. Facebook is a help. Like Facebook servers for videos is a help, and they are open for that. Like they are, like if you said Facebook is open for, yeah, they are open for your values. Like if you are providing experience here on YouTube, come on, this is an added value. Usually people do sue them for, like if here's my value and it's to YouTube, I will sue YouTube for that value. Why? Because it's an asset, marketing asset. I will sue Google for that point. If here's somebody said okay, this Google, this virtual point here is my business. Come on, let's go for Google Maps. Come on, here's Maps, and I said okay, here's my virtual location here. Okay, somebody did type that thing. Okay, this is a contribution for Google, but this is mine. This point is mine. They will say no, it's not yours. No, do you see this picture here? Well, a little bit it's mine. Okay, there's the added value here, an issue, like issue on your site. Good. YouTube will say okay, are you trying to create traffic to your website? No, I'm trying to provide a value. Then I'll create a traffic to my website. Where? If you did ask me where is that, if you said okay, here's your YouTube channel and so on, and I get to your my channel thing, and I said about here, okay, you can say that here. You can see that I have a website here. He said okay, view email address and so on. Here's the links, and here's my website. Okay, that is allowed. So now looking to this and clarifying the idea of sales, marketing, value to the hour, 3 pages per day, a month from today, that will be 30 days, but don't stop on the 90 pages. Come on, that 90 pages can become a 60 pages 60 pages pages for a best-selling author, selling selling author. Okay, for a best-selling author, and just training, and you will have that down payment for your best-selling book. Okay, that, like, make it 60 pages and you will have that, like this book with like this. Do you know what is this book? This book is following Edgar Dale way, Edgar Dale kind of experience. This book, workshops, images, text, 60 pages. Okay, that will be within a month. And if you are solving, for example, a million, like here's a million person who really boy, this is a product. Okay, this is, for example, who can help me on that subject? That will be Blair Singer. No, not Blair. This is the first time I do say Blair Singer. Brian Tracy. Brian Tracy. Now for the videos, Blair Singer. Okay. Now for this video thing, a sales into a marketer, that will be Blair Singer. Powerful presentation. Brian Tracy, best-selling author. Training. Blair Singer, powerful presentation for massive income. This is the word. Okay. There's Jeremy Minor. Okay. Seventh level, like seven figure sales agent, and just a cup of coffee. Like his program, like, why is 7 figure sales? Like, that will be a cup of coffee. Now the cost is a cup of coffee here. That 7 figure sales agent thing, yeah, he's helping into that level. Cup of coffee from Starbucks, like $7. That Jeremy Minor. I don't know why I call him Jeremy Maguire. I don't know. Good. And by the way, if you don't like CDN by YouTube, and it's really like, okay, there's a solution here and here. Okay, for like for this thing, like, okay, that will be Vimeo. Okay, for professional producers, for professional manufacturers. This is teacher product. This was teacher product, and this make money, really money. Plus you are doing pull marketing. Okay, and you provide, so like what did happen? You did write a book, like how you did 3 pages per day. You did some webinars, create workshops, webinars and workshops, and I'll provide the service. Now, just a second. Here in create webinars, if like if this is a system, you are creating a system, but at the point, mobilize is a help doing the real thing. We are not in simulation. We are in doing the real thing. Okay, here's the system. This is a content management system, content CMS, but Windows. This is Windows and Mac. Now web thing, yeah, and publish part will be that thing. Okay, let me publish again. Let me see. Okay. Good. Website updates are available. Let me have this thing. Okay. We do this, we do that. Okay, let me have a notepad here. Website updates are available. December 2018. Okay, let's share this website, share this folder with them. Let's go for Google. Here's the drive. Okay, let me minimize this thing. Come on, come. Oh, I did forget something. Yeah, this thing. I'm done with this. Good. This system, like usually sales managers level, they don't like websites. If you said, okay, here's a no, they don't like website. They like the prospecting part. If you are helping me in the prospecting part, I do understand. If you are helping me here with prospecting, I do understand that. Okay, but we do operate from a map. We do operate from a map. This is a very, very serious thing. Good. You are helping me as a marketer, as an online marketer. I do understand that. You are helping me with 2018 trust issue. I do understand that. Good, good. But finding good people, like if you did reach them, like the share part here is happening for us with a referral point of view. Like sales managers have a referral point of view, and when they do that, like they pay for your basics, they pay for the leadership, like I don't know about the management basics, they pay for every person available in the company basics with referral thing. Why is referral? Well, 10 contact details. Help me here with 10 contact details. Who I'm talking to? I'm talking to the new clients. Okay, people like you to help. Well, okay, you deserve that. You really did help me. You did tell me why a website. Okay, like one-to-one system is a phone, one-to-one system is a meeting, one-to-many system and generating leads is this website. Okay, this can generate some inbound call, yes, with a push marketing, with a well designed marketing plan. Yes, it do work. It do really work. Give me an example. I will give you CK. Here's Louis CK, and his website. His website. He's talking about his website. Which website? This one. He's like this. Louis, he did public relation for that. Like here, he's doing the public relation. You see this? Public relation. For what? For a video. He's selling video, events video. Okay, now what was that? Here's Louis. Come on, www.google. How to type his name now? Website. Okay, this website per week. See, like here's a simple website, nothing weird now. Okay, I like him. I like Louis, by the way. This simple website here per week, 200,000 clients this week. Sometime. Okay, that was public relation, marketing, and sales. Okay, let's get back a little bit here. The advice as talk to people about your website, and that was public relation, marketing, and sales. He did go for talk shows, talk to people, talk shows, talk to people, marketing, and a video, maybe a radio show, like Bill Burr do that. Like a place of admiration, by the way. Like every week you can find Bill Burr do that, and he's solving everybody situations with that. Giving advices, that will be. Where's that dude? I have a big mouth, man. What's that website? Here's that website. Oh boy, here's share. Get shareable link. Okay, come on. What is that? I didn't share. Okay, here's copy link. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. You did a huge help for me. Okay, here's that thing. Okay. So website alone is not a help. Sales managers will tell you that over and over. Public relation, marketing and sales. Yeah, website is a hell. Thank you very much for watching. We did I did miss here something. The about us page. Let me have it from here. Come on. Why is that? No. What did happen, man? What did happen? Come on. How did that? Here's about us. He did send me to mobilize thing. Oh boy. It was working fine. I don't know. Here's header 9C. Sharon. Publish. Just a second. Oh, these are annulled. No, they are not annulled. You did share the folder. Here's about this. About this again. About this again. Yeah, like it's working now. Okay, let me have the folder. Boy, it's version 2. Yeah. Where's the file? I forget where's the file. Here's the file. Unbelievable. You are not help Google. To the point you are not. I had to click things, didn't work. Is that version 2 now? It's going to tell me. What now? What to find version 2? This is. What did happen here? Why is it uploading, man? Come on, cancel. Why you did? Cancel. Okay. This was a folder. Yeah. Let me have this thing here again. Let me delete this thing here. He did have a folder. Ah boy. Keep as separate file. Now what it is? Can I share it? Share it. This link. Done. Thank you very much. I don't know how to say this word, but who cares? They are available. Now this was .com. See, I'm doing pull marketing for them. He said like Google now will like yeah. Okay, are available. About this page. Oh boy, review it. That what did happen. I did forget something. Yep, here's the quest. Call blah 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 and done. And this is Frank bullshit. Frank, not Frank. And here's call. Why is it different? Like call, and why is the number? Where's the phone number? Let me have this line here. I usually forget my invitation, your invitation to China. Why China? Because they have ID, like they have infrastructure, they have a country. yeah. Like they didn't get into war like for the last I don't know how many years. No one didn't have a sharing. And they were busy on creating bridges. They were busy like Canada. Imagine Canada like stuff like United, but they are China and they are into like they created iPhone for $20. And somebody telling everybody like, okay, let's get into the China field. Come on, like who would ask for a Chinese job. Like, come on, can we get serious a little bit here? Like, here's somebody looking for a Chinese job. Like what? Like, here's somebody who's working on a manufacturer, like for $200 per week, or $500 per, like $700 per month. Like, who would do that? $700. We are going to break Chinese job. Like, nobody. Anyway, are available. Okay, I'm done with this. Why would I say I did talk about it. Yeah, we are done here. We did a click here, did work. I don't like here, did work. Here, did work. Here, did work. Here, did work. Okay. Here, it didn't work. Again, so forget about it. I did fix these links. I'm not gonna fix it. You can fix it. You can find the system and fix it. Okay, anyway. Like I did send them to the top of the page. How to fix this line now? What I'm going to do with my life? It's not my problem. Okay. Is anything else here I need to mention in the description, video description? Yeah, who they are. Their contact detail. I did have that contact detail somewhere. Here's that. Now, to make the description look nice, okay, you have this as, yeah, then you get this into, and you get this to this, and you get this into this. Okay, I have some issue with the folder by, like, yeah. Anyway, who cares? Available. Okay. Available. We are all. I will fix it for myself when I do this thing. Come on, publish it. Yeah. Just a second. Yeah, publish it. No, not publish. Fix it. Version 3. Version 3. I didn't know. Header. Publish. Version 3. Does not work. Yes, it did. Version 3. Yeah, why is it happening in my folder? Like, just a second. I don't know why it's happening. This is edit services is now available. The menu here, something did happen, man, for the folder. Yeah, there's something that happened here. Service here doesn't have that thing. And what is that thing? Of design. Okay, and here in the about be this is the about. Unbelievable. It's the header. There's something happening with the folder here, right? Where's this link to? To that header. And where's this thing linked to? To that. To this thing. Come on. To this thing and to this thing. To this thing and satellite. Okay, let's publish it for the last time and see what is happening with this folder. Here's about us. That's working. Here's this. Not working. Not working. It did send me to this page. That didn't happen. I don't know why. Anyway, I don't care. Let's fix this link and we will get back to something I was doing. We will give them a birthday now. We will give them a happy Christmas. Okay, let's get back to this thing. publish everything. Let's give them a happy Christmas now. Is that from about us? Is that okay? Here's that. Here's that. Cool. 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 The number is working. Okay. Cool. How about this? Okay, we are done with this folder. Again, version 3. Here is version 3 Google Plus. Version 3 Google Plus. Google Drive. I'll change the link again. You edited today. Like he is changing like the edit. I don't know, here's that. But I will have access on it. Version 3. Okay, here's version 3. Share it with me. Share. Here is the link. Done. Good. I think this was the link. Let me enter it. Back. Can't see. Okay, this will be which version? Details. He should tell me that this was version 3. 948. Yeah. He said 9488. Yeah. Open by me, any of created, modified. Okay. By me. Okay, by me. Is that? I'm done with this video. Okay, this will be. Let me find something here. Okay, this will be part 3. It will be the title. Oh, I did have that title. YouTube. Let me continue with the description. My channel. Okay, this will be 3. Okay. Part 3. Done, we are done here. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of the day and bye bye. It's 8:50 AM, boy. We are going for some sales calls. Have a great day and bye bye.